Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can change font size in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and go to display, then go to uh, font size and style, and here this is the default font size. Okay, that is third point is the default font size. If you move this point to the another level on the right side, font size will increase. Okay, this is very large size. This is very large size. You can preview here. And if you want to decrease the font style, font size, just you go to move this point to the left side. This is leftmost side. Okay, this is very small size. If you want to keep in the previous, that is a default setting, keep it on third point and it will restore to the original font size. So in this way you can easily control font size and change font size as per your wish. If you want to increase two other point, yes, you can just move to the two other steps here and see the changes from the settings. It's now readable, very clearly readable. Okay, in this way we can easily change the font size in our phone. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.